Assalamu alaikum. Welcome my students 9th grade again to your English classes with your teacher Dani Hassan. In this video we're going to have writing lesson in your student book page 83. First of all, we're going to read a letter about a problem, then learn how to summarize a problem and give advice in writing. Now you need to open your student book page 83. The title of our lesson is A Problem Page. Here, as you can see, we have a web page to write the problems, then giving advice. Number 1, or the first exercise, read Paula's letter. What is the problem? So you have to pause the video, then read Paula's letter or Paula's problem, then answer this question: what is the problem? After reading the letter, or you can guess that the problem is here from the title, My English Teacher Hates Me. And in the first line, I need some advice. I think my teacher hates me. So her problem is she thinks her teacher hates her. Now you have to read the letter again. Read the answer or the answer from Liverpool lad again. What things does he do in his answer? So pause the video, read the response or read the answer from Liverpool lad again. Then resume the video when you're ready. Now come on, let's start. What things does he do in his answer? Does he give a title? Of course not. He doesn't give any title. Look here, there were no title. Number 2, say what he thinks the real problem might be. Yes, he does. Come on, let's see. Say what he thinks the real problem might be. I think maybe the problem is not only your teacher, but also your marks. So, he mentioned the real problem might be. The next one, give reasons for his opinions. Yes, he did. Let's see. You say that English was your best subject and that your marks haven't been very good recently. Perhaps your English teacher is strict because he wants to show you that he's not happy with your marks. It's possible that he's trying to make you work harder by giving you detention. So they are the reasons. The next one, offer different ways of looking at the problem. Yes, he did. He said that your English teacher is strict because he wants to show you that he's not happy with your marks. The next one, give direct orders. He doesn't give any direct orders. The next one, offer several solutions. Yes, I think you should try talking to him because communication is always the best way to work out a solution to a problem. And you should ask him what the problem is and why you're getting detention. You could also work harder to improve your marks. Finally, write a final sentence to make the person feel better. Yes, he writes a final sentence, which is, I really hope this helps. So let's repeat again. Say what he thinks the real problem might be. Give reasons for his opinions. Offer different ways of looking at the problem. Offer several solutions. Give reasons for his advice. Finally, write a final sentence to make the person feel better. So when you're going to give advice in writing, you have to write these points in your response. Now please look at the blue box, which is useful language, summarizing a problem and giving advice. Use different phrases to summarize what you want to say and to give advice. Like using I think maybe the problem is, but also you say that, and I think you should try because. Now you have to find two other phrases to give advice in exercise number 1. So the phrases are here, you should ask, and you could also work. Finally, we have to complete the sentences in exercise number 4 with the words in the box. We have should, try, problem, possible, perhaps, and also. Let's start with the first one. I think maybe that is your marks. So I think maybe the problem is your marks. Your teacher is angry with you. Perhaps your teacher is angry with you. It's that he wants to encourage you. It's possible that he wants to encourage you. Number 2, you talk to him. You should talk to him. I think you should try asking him for advice. And finally, you could also study harder. Finally, that's all in our class, my students. We've done all the objectives. Read a letter about a problem, then learn how to summarize a problem and give advice in writing. Next time, please prepare pages 72 and 73 in your workbook. So see you next time. Goodbye.